Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this cool looking awesome little workshop mascot out of just a pallet wood block and some rusty old nails and a few nuts and washers. So to make the body of the mascot, I had this pallet wood block, and as you can see it already had some holes in it that coincidentally look like some eyes and a mouth. So for the eyes and the mouth I'm going to use some nuts and washers. And I'm also going to use some rusty old ring nails that I got out of some pallets for the arms and legs. So firstly I wanted to make the legs, and I wanted to get a bend in the leg to make it look like a knee. So I just clamped it up and bent over the nail. I then took some pliers and bent over the end or the head of the nail to resemble a foot. So then I wanted to make the arms, and I wanted a bend in the arms for the elbow, and I wanted to just smooth over this block a little bit. So I took my palm router and just rounded over all the edges of the block. So I then took some 80 grit sandpaper and give it a rough sanding over. And I cleaned up the nails as well with the sandpaper. So now I needed to drill 2 holes to accommodate the legs. I used a drill bit just smaller than the diameter of the nail. I then used some multi-purpose glue and pushed it into the holes. And then just push the legs into place. I then needed to make some holes for the arms too. And again I added some glue into those holes. So now I wanted to give it all a spray with some grey primer. And when that was dry, I decided to choose some neon green, as it is the main theme colour of my channel. So when the paint was dry, it was time to get the eyes on. So I used a few washers to make it kind of look like an eye with a different coloured washer in the centre. And then I used the black screw there for the kind of pupil. wanted to also add a nose, and I had this awkwardly shaped washer which I thought looked like a nose. And the same for the mouth, a washer, a nut and a screw. I also thought it would be a good idea to add some ears onto the sides, so I used a couple of wing nuts for the ears. And now I wanted to find the centre of the top, because I wanted to add a little hat onto the mascot. So I drilled a pilot hole and then used a washer and a large nut with a wing nut at the top, and then held it all down with a screw. You can use whatever nuts and bolts that you have lying around, doesn't really matter. And for a finishing touch, I just coloured in the hands and the feet with a black marker pen. So there he was, all finished, and he's going to be sat in my workshop now, bringing me good luck on future projects. A really fun and easy little project to do. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also comment, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already for more videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.